locate another slider also here, and then click the split button again, and the blue slider or vertical bar appears on the end of your video to be trimmed. And then you are going to place your mouse pointer here and click and then press and hold, and you will see the X button here. This will undo the split if you want to undo, but if not, just click your mouse here and then move or drag it to the start of your video, and then you will see this portion here, the other slider on the right or the vertical bar. Press and hold your mouse button here and then drag to the side on the right. Hello guys, what's up? Dito naman tayo para sa panibagong tutorial. At ngayon, ang ituturo ko sa inyo guys, paano mag-trim ng ating mga videos. Alam ko karamihan sa inyo, merong mga videos na minsan ay hindi nyo gustong isama, pero ang nangyayari ay hindi natin inaasahang mapasama. At yung mga gusto ninyong tanggalin na videos, yan ang ating pag-aaralan ngayon. Kaya kung interesado ka, panoorin natin ang ating susunod na video. At huwag kalimutan, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, baka naman subscribe na ang aking channel. Click subscribe and don't forget to ring the bell. Choose all para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga videos. Okay, let's go. And let me share to you my screen para mas mabilis nating masundan ang aking tutorial. Let's go. Punta tayo sa inyong browser. Guys, pipili kayo ng inyong browser. Punta kayo sa inyong browser. Mag-open kayo ng isang browser, guys. Then, punta kayo sa Google. Google account nyo or yan, Google account nyo. Okay. Type YouTube. And then, dapat meron na guys kayong naka-install na YouTube Studio. Pwede nyo i-download sa App Store, kahit sa mga cellphone, pwede po itong gawin. Basta, i-click nyo lang yung desktop site sa inyong mga cellphone. Okay, i-log in ang inyong YouTube account. Pindutin ang inyong account. Choose YouTube Studio. Click YouTube Studio. And then on the left side, you will see your channel and your dashboard. And click the content. Click content here to see your videos, and then choose the video that you want to trim here. Let's say you want to trim your video like this one. So remember guys, if you trim your video, your channel analytics will be affected too. That's why be careful when trimming your example video. This is your video that you want to trim. So after you choose a video, go to the left side again, go to editor, click this editor portion. and then it will bring you to the video editor window. So you can see here there is undo and redo on the top, and also templates and discard changes. You will notice that this save button is not yet highlighted with blue color because you have no video to save yet. And then you can see in the leftmost side the trim button, and in this the center is your video to be edited, and this is the video, and then the audio, you can also add audio, add a track, and blur, you can blur your video, and the end screen, you can add end screen or element. And then after learning the different tools, here you can see the zoom in and the zoom out. So you can enlarge or reduce your video. Then this is the blurred parts of your video. So what you are going to do is to choose which part of your video are you going to trim. Let's say this part, because this part is blurred or this part is very dim. So what you are going to do is to bring this slider to the start of your video to be trimmed. Let's say this part. And then in this part area, you can locate this one. So 358 on the right, 358.21, and on this 356 on the left. So what you're going to do is to click trim. You click this trim, and then you will notice that the vertical bar here, or the slider, and the slider here on the right becomes blue. So what you are going to do is to bring the slider here from this side, and then click the trim. This is the place where you are going to start your trim. So click the trim, and then you will see here that split, cancel, and preview shows up on the lower portion of your video. Then click the split, and then you will notice that the blue bar appears on the start of your trim. And then locate another slider also here, and then click the split button again, and the blue slider or vertical bar appears on the end of your video to be trimmed. And then you are going to place your mouse pointer here, and click, and then press and hold, and you will see the X button here. This will undo the split if you want to undo, but if not, just click your mouse here and then move or drag it to the start of your video, and then you will see this portion here the other slider on the right or the vertical bar. Press and hold your mouse button here and then drag to the side on the right part of your video. And then this will be the remaining portion that is not highlighted. This part is the one that will be trimmed from your video. Okay, and then if you are satisfied with the trim, you can click the preview here. Click the preview and then wait to preview here. The preview, this is the preview of your this is the preview, and then trim. Click the trim and then click the preview here. Then wait for the save button to appear on the top, or scroll up and you will see your save button here is now blue. This means that it is active. Then click the save button if you are satisfied with the trim, or click the edit button if you want to edit again. But if not, then save. Click the save button. Then it says here, save changes. The original version of your video is stored in the save, so you can undo your edits. It might take a few hours for your changes to apply during that time. Viewers will see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to the video. While you wait, you can leave this site. So, if so, you can save this, and then this portion appears. A video is being processed. Please check back later. So you can now leave this site because it is on process already. So that's it, and that is how to trim your video. So I hope you learned something from my tutorial, and if you do, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the bell to keep you updated to my coming tutorials. Goodbye!